Do you know what common diseases can affect your dogs and cats? A surprising number of pet owners don't. In the vast world of pet ownership, understanding the common diseases that can affect our four-legged friends is crucial. It's not just about feeding them and giving them belly rubs, it's about keeping them healthy and happy over the long haul. In this video, we will explore the three main categories of diseases that commonly affect dogs and cats: viral, bacterial, and parasitic. Each category carries its own unique threats and challenges, but with knowledge and awareness, we can help our pets live the fullest lives possible. From Parvovirus and Distemper in dogs to Typhus and Coryza in cats, we'll shed light on these hidden dangers. We'll also delve into bacterial diseases like Leptospirosis and Chlamydia, and parasitic illnesses such as Leishmaniasis and Toxoplasmosis. Awareness can make all the difference in early detection and treatment, so without further ado, let's delve into these diseases. Scene script. Firstly, we shall explore viral diseases. These are caused by viruses, which are tiny infectious agents. Diving into the world of viral diseases, these are maladies caused by the entrance of tiny invaders known as viruses. They can wreak havoc on the health of our beloved dogs and cats, leading to a range of symptoms and, in some cases, serious complications. Take, for example, Parvovirus in dogs. This highly contagious disease is known to cause severe gastrointestinal issues. Symptoms often include vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, and lethargy. It is typically transmitted through direct contact with an infected dog or indirectly from contaminated environments. Prevention, you ask? Vaccination is the key. Ensuring your dog is up to date with Parvovirus vaccination can significantly reduce the risk of infection. Distemper is another viral disease that dogs can contract. It affects multiple body systems, including the respiratory and nervous systems. Symptoms can range from coughing and fever to seizures and paralysis in severe cases. This virus is often spread through airborne exposure, making it a serious threat. Like Parvovirus, vaccination is the most effective preventive measure against distemper. Turning our attention to cats, let's discuss typhus, also known as feline panleukopenia. This virus can cause severe symptoms such as fever, vomiting, diarrhea, and even sudden death in severe cases. It spreads primarily through contact with infected feces or urine. Vaccination again is crucial in preventing this disease. Lastly, we have Coryza, a highly contagious upper respiratory infection in cats. Symptoms often include sneezing, nasal congestion, and discharge from the eyes and nose. It can be contracted from other infected cats or from contaminated objects. The best line of defense? Yes, you guessed it right. Vaccination. So there you have it, a brief overview of some common viral diseases in dogs and cats. It's clear that these tiny viruses can cause big problems, but equally clear is the power of prevention. Remember, vaccination is a key defense against these viral diseases. Now on to bacterial diseases. These are caused by bacteria, which are single-celled organisms. Bacteria are everywhere, and while many are beneficial, some can cause harm to our pets. For instance, let's consider Leptospirosis, a bacterial disease that often affects dogs. Leptospirosis is caused by spiral-shaped bacteria called Leptospira. The bacteria are typically found in the urine of infected animals and can survive in water and soil for months. Dogs can pick up the bacteria by drinking, swimming in, or walking through contaminated water. Symptoms of leptospirosis in dogs can vary. Some dogs might not show any signs of illness, while others could have a high fever, muscle pain, vomiting, jaundice, or even kidney failure. Thankfully, there's a vaccine available that can protect dogs from the most common types of leptospirosis. Now, let's move on to cats. Chlamydia, specifically Chlamydia felis, is a common bacterial disease in cats. It primarily affects the conjunctiva, causing an infection known as conjunctivitis. Chlamydia is highly contagious among cats, often spreading through close contact. Cats with chlamydia typically exhibit symptoms like red, swollen eyes, excessive blinking, and a watery or pus-like discharge from the eyes. The good news is, it's treatable. Antibiotics are usually successful in clearing up the infection, and a vaccine is available to help protect cats from Chlamydia felis. The key to preventing these bacterial diseases is a combination of vaccination, good hygiene, and regular vet checkups. always ensure your pets have access to clean water and try to prevent them from accessing potentially contaminated areas. Remember, early detection is crucial when it comes to treating bacterial diseases. So, if your pet is showing any signs of illness, it's always a good idea to consult with a vet. Don't wait for the condition to worsen, and there you have it. From leptospirosis in dogs to chlamydia in cats, bacterial diseases can pose a significant risk to our furry friends. But with proper care and preventive measures, we can protect them. Proper hygiene and regular vet checkups can help prevent these bacterial diseases. Lastly, we have parasitic diseases. These are caused by parasites, which are organisms that live on or in a host organism. They feed off the host, often causing illness or discomfort. Parasitic diseases are a common concern for pet owners, as they can affect both dogs and cats, often leading to serious health issues if not addressed promptly. Now let's delve into some of the most common parasitic diseases in dogs and cats. For dogs, one prevalent parasitic disease is Leishmaniasis. This disease is caused by the Leishmania parasite, which is transmitted through the bites of sandflies. Symptoms can range from skin issues such as sores and hair loss to more systemic problems like weight loss, fever, and anemia. It's a serious condition that requires immediate veterinary attention. On the other hand, cats often face a different parasitic threat, toxoplasmosis. This disease is caused by the Toxoplasma gondii parasite, which cats can contract by ingesting contaminated food, water, or even soil. Symptoms can include lethargy, loss of appetite, and in severe cases, neurological issues. It's particularly dangerous for pregnant women as it can be passed on to the unborn child. So it's essential to take precautions if your feline friend is diagnosed with toxoplasmosis. So how can we prevent these parasitic diseases? Well, prevention is always better than cure. For Leishmaniasis, using insect repellent products and keeping your dogs indoors during peak sandfly activity times can help. As for toxoplasmosis, keeping your cats indoors and ensuring they have a diet of commercially prepared food can significantly reduce their risk of contracting this disease. Remember, regular deworming and flea control can help prevent these parasitic diseases. It's also essential to keep a keen eye on your pet's behavior and physical health. Any changes could be a sign of a parasitic infection, so don't hesitate to seek veterinary advice if you're concerned. After all, our furry friends rely on us to keep them safe and healthy. So we've covered a lot about common diseases in dogs and cats today. In our journey, we've traversed the landscape of viral, bacterial, and parasitic diseases that could pose potential threats to our beloved pets. Now, as we draw towards the conclusion, let's take a moment to recap the salient points and discuss how we can keep our four-legged friends safe and sound. We began our exploration with viral diseases. In dogs, we've learned about Parvovirus and Distemper, two serious ailments that could be fatal. For our feline friends, we delved into Typhus and Coryza, both of which can cause severe discomfort and distress. These diseases are highly infectious and can spread rapidly, making vaccination a crucial preventive measure. So, ensuring our pets are up to date with their shots is our first line of defense. Next, we explored bacterial diseases. In dogs, we discussed Leptospirosis, a disease that can not only affect our pets, but also has the potential to cross over to humans. For cats, we examined chlamydia, which primarily affects the eyes. The key here is hygiene. Regular cleaning and disinfecting of our pets' living spaces can help prevent these bacterial diseases from taking hold. Then, we ventured into the world of parasitic diseases. We learned about Leishmaniasis in dogs and toxoplasmosis in cats. These diseases are caused by parasites, which can be picked up from the environment, other animals, or even insects like fleas and ticks. Here, prevention measures like regular deworming and flea control can help keep these pesky parasites at bay. But remember, while we've discussed these diseases separately, they're not isolated issues. They're interconnected, each one potentially paving the way for the other. For instance, a viral disease can weaken the immune system, making the pet more susceptible to bacterial or parasitic infections. So it's essential to approach pet health in a holistic manner. The most important thing is to keep a close eye on your pets. Watch out for any changes in behavior, eating habits, or physical appearance. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to seek veterinary advice. Early detection can make a huge difference in the outcome of many of these diseases. We've covered a lot of ground today, but this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to pet health. There's always more to learn, more to understand. But the knowledge we've gained today gives us a solid foundation, a starting point in ensuring the well-being of our pets. Remember, awareness and early detection are key to keeping your pets safe. Stay vigilant, keep your pets healthy, and enjoy the wonderful companionship they offer. Until next time, take care of your furry friends and yourself.